Did you know there's a town in China that looks exactly like Paris, with its own Eiffel Tower? Bro, imagine booking a trip to Paris and ending up in Hangzhou. In Italy, there's a fountain that pours free wine 24/7. Wine lovers, pack your bags, and maybe a bucket. Brunei citizens get free healthcare, housing, and education. Meanwhile, I'm scared to even check my medical bills. Finland made internet access a basic human right. That means slow Wi-Fi there is basically illegal. Thailand made it a crime to step on their money, because it disrespects the king. So, no stomping on coins unless you want jail time. Try commenting without using the letter E, bet you can't. If lost in the wild, follow ants, they always lead to water, or your next panic attack. Follow for more facts that make you say, wait, what?